just a quick video showing the mods on my CZT. So in the engine bay, I've just got the K&N standard manifold. Haven't even got dump valve yet, so just slowly building it up. Got the bumper cut on the front. I'm going to get a custom grille for that. Put the horns down slightly, so they'll be about there. So obviously rims are just the standard on the Colt. Going to get them refurbed soon. Indicators and the backlights are wrapped. Just got custom mud flaps, wiper delete, obviously tinted windows. It's running on coilovers BC Racing BR series is what they're running on, and it's also got hard race arms and poly drop links from Dynodaze. I'll just show you the interior. Haven't really done much to it. Just got boost gauge up here, dragon gauge, nothing special. Probably going to pop this to here, and then pop a temperature gauge in this one into the vent. Just got a standard old school Sony CD player in here with a aux. Pretty much everything is standard. Still got the back seats in the back. Not really tracking it or anything, so looking to get obviously a different steering wheel, boss kit, and pop it on there. But pretty much everything is standard in here. Obviously just got loads of stickers along the sun strip, and also got a controller for some lights that light up here, and they're going along the footwell as well. Just changed the gear stick, taking the plastic bit out that the Colt has. Really hard to change gear compared to something like this, so this was definitely a steal. So yeah, pretty much that is it. It's got a Scorpion full system, non-resonated, obviously a little tow bar on the back, and I'm putting the facelift bumper on as well at some point on the back. Just got some custom mud flaps that I did myself, and that is pretty much it. Apart from the sun strip, which is custom, everything is how it should be. Popped some bonnet razors on yesterday, so it's pretty much just this height. I'm going to spray these red or black, so it just makes it look a little bit better when you're looking at it from that angle. So yeah.
Life moves pretty fast.